once I got to Moab after 5 o'clock, I didn't want to try getting on the trail, not sure where I would stay the night. So I ended up coming out the way the Schaefer Trail is anyway, and decided to stay at a BLM campsite that I found on Overlander. So what you see up ahead is the view. There's no shade or anything like that, it said, but it is in the evening. The sun will start to go down eventually. It is quite warm, so just have to see what happens. But I think this is the spot according to what my thing is showing. I think I'm going to head a little bit further in and see what I can find. That's actually a really nice spot. Let's see what's over. Alright, so this road could keep going, and I looked, according to the GPS, it still stays BLM land. But if I park right there, I have shade from the sun. And if I pull in with the nose in, then I'll have view of that. But I'll still have a view out the side and the back of all of this and all of that down there. I think I'm about, I don't know, 1.5 miles, 2 miles from the road. And even though these are listed on Overlander, and Moab, the town, was really full. There were a lot more Jeeps, 4x4 vehicles, and campers than I expected to see on a Tuesday. I know it is June and vacations are starting and everything, but I was a little worried that the spots would be taken here, and they're not. Not a single one of them was. So I am going to maybe be all alone up here. The road back here was all sand. I didn't have to engage four-wheel drive. I didn't even deflate the tires. But anybody with a two-wheel drive vehicle isn't probably going to come down some of those stretches, but any four-wheeler could probably make it without a problem. So, but maybe it's not as well known as I thought it is. It is BLM land, stuck in kind of in between state and park and national park land. So, but it said it was legit. GPS says that it isn't any kind of government land that you'd need to pay to sleep on. So here I am. It's about 7 o'clock, I guess, somewhere around there. So I am gonna get something to eat after I pull in the Jeep and level it and settle in. So the spot was a bit more unlevel than I thought. So for the first time I had to dig holes under the right side of the vehicle and then also use my go treads all the way stacked up to level it out. So now it's in a pretty good spot. But thank goodness for this tree, because that sun, even though it's going down, is pretty warm, and this tree provides really nice shade. So I'm glad I kept going and found this spot.